welcome to Legal Break. I'm Maureen Akers, and with me today is Gary Bruce. As always, thank you so much for joining us, Gary.
Thank you. Good to be here.
And we're talking about wills today. Does everybody, Gary, need a will, even if they don't have what they call maybe a lot of property to their name or possession?
Good question. Do you need one? No. The state will direct how things are divided, how things are distributed, and what happens when you pass. Is it best to have one? Yes. And I would encourage everybody, whether you are wealthy or have property or not, it helps your family know what to do. It gives them direction, it gives them an understanding of what your desires were, and you can direct things to happen that otherwise the state is going to take control of. So I think it's important, not only just for the will, but for the Advanced Healthcare Directives, powers of attorney. There's reasons to have these documents. It really takes pressure off your family, you know, when big decisions have to be made.
That's right. It just makes it a little easier. So on this subject, you're involved with a very special event. Tell us a little bit about that. Wills for Heroes?
Some of the lawyers in my office are. I'm not really involved, but I do want to promote it. It's a great thing. Wills for Heroes, the Young Lawyers Division here in town, the State Bar of Georgia and the State Bar of Alabama, the local Bar Association of Muskogee and Russell County are all getting together May 13th, Saturday morning, at the Troy University facility on the river down there to do wills, advanced healthcare directives, and powers of attorneys for our first responders.
Oh, wow.
So the firefighters, police officers, sheriffs, deputies, sheriffs, people in these departments are welcome to come. There'll be more information about it, but I think it's a great opportunity for the lawyers in the community to serve and also to provide something meaningful to our first responders.
Oh, absolutely, like you said, and as we just talked about that, if you don't already have a will and you've been thinking about it, or this is a great time to do that if you're one of those first responders, right, or the families.
Absolutely. You know, we want everyone to come who is eligible to that program, but I would encourage you, I think your first question's a good one. Look, these are important things to do, and it helps your family. It's not really about you at that point, you know, but people have to make hard decisions, and when you have those documents, it makes it a lot easier and a lot more peace of mind. It's not expensive. No. It's not something I really do, but there's plenty of people in town who do, and I would encourage people to get that taken care of.
So remind us again where the Wills for Heroes takes place.
Right, first responders, Saturday morning, May 13th at the Troy State campus on the river in Phoenix City.
Very easy. Thank you so much for joining us on this edition of Legal Break, Gary, and I look forward to seeing you on the very next one.
Thank you very much.